Okay, so I'm arriving at where I want to eat now. But it looks like I'm late too. It's like they finished 7. I think I'm late. I am late, so I have to go and look for something else. They've cleared the food. I didn't come out on time because I think they said, okay, they finish at 11. So I cannot eat nothing. Everything has been cleared. So I'll go and look for things in between and see what I can get. Let me just ask them. But I'm late. They've cleared everything. But this is the place anyway. Normally food is always here. Hello. Hola. Finish food. Okay. What time they open? What time? Okay. What time you open? I thought breakfast was 12.
A las 7. Close a las 11.
What?
11.
Onte, what's that? English? Okay, I asked another person. I don't know. What, but you serve lunch here?
Lunch. Igual allá a las 11. 11. Yes? 11.
I don't know.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 11.
By 11.
Ajá.
Oh, here closes by 11.
Igual abren allá.
So I go there, another one.
Cierren aquí y abren open.
Okay, how do I get there? How do I go?
Lunch y cena, almuerzo.
Okay, let me ask.
Yeah.
Thank you. So you see me struggling with this thing. Struggling with the Spanish. There's somewhere she said I should go to if I want to eat something here, that they are serving something there. So let me see if I can get there. I think I didn't know when the time ran. I think I had so many things I was doing, so I didn't know when time ran. But it's okay. I mean, we've been eating breakfast every day. So just to see what else is over. So this is a new place I'm going to today. I've not gone to this side before. I'm going to look for food, so that's what's taking me there. Let me see if I can find it. Normally I like the breakfast. They have very good breakfast. So I would have preferred if I got that, but it's okay. I was waiting for them. They were not ready. So that's just how it is. It's a very big place. All these places I've not been here before. Okay, I've seen. Okay, they are serving something. Okay, go with me. Let's see what they have before I settle down. There's something they are serving there. Let's go and eat. I don't really eat so much, so what they are serving should be okay for me. This is another place. Okay, that's cool. So I'll get a seat and sit down and see what I can get. Let's go inside and see what they have. Let's go inside. Maybe I keep my flags here. Let me keep my flags here so I can be... the sun is just too much here. Let me sit inside. I would have sat near the pool, but the sun is too much. Let me sit somewhere else, so I'm not in the middle of the sun. Okay, there are people here. Okay, let me just go all the way to the end. I don't want to sit in the double tables because it's only me. Okay, I think I don't mind here. This one by the corner. You know me, I always like somewhere that is off. Somewhere that is off, so I'll stay here. So let's go in. Let me see what I can get. So this is like a makeshift breakfast area because that major one, that buffet place, they've closed. They close at 11. So that's what the Spanish lady was trying to explain to me. All right. Look, I think this one is more of lunch. But it's okay. I'll see what I can eat. This is more of lunch. This is a sushi. I'm not a sushi person. I won't eat that. These are mostly cold things. Let me look for real food. Okay. This is very nice. This is like rice. Then let me just go around before I choose something. They also have rice here. Something like rice. Then this is bread. If I want to do breakfast. But I think I'll do more vegetables today, so I don't have... so my system can be